I went down the rabbit hole and found some things out and mostly looked for how many times a name was mentioned in the file. I did not open, well, I opened one, and after that I decided not to open anymore. Don't open them. However, I wanted to create a post on LinkedIn about how I was feeling. I was kind of feeling like, you know, the kid in the book, The Emperor Has No Clothes, the one that says, hey, the Emperor has no clothes. Yeah, I'm that kid. I was feeling like that kid. And I wanted to create a post to see if anybody else was feeling like this. It's like, what do I do in this situation? So, you know, AI, Gemini is kind of, you know, showing its stars and twirling its stars at me. So I'm like, okay, Gemini, I'm going to ask you. So I said the founder of LinkedIn, Reid Hoffman, is in the files over 2,600 times. Currently, LinkedIn is owned by Microsoft, which was founded by Bill Gates, also over 2,600 times. And my question is do I continue to put my presence on a platform or platforms that has ties to these things? It is quite obvious that they're Baal worshippers, so I'm adding my own stuff only because I saw it posted. I don't know if that's true or not. I think I was just being emotional here. It was said that Jeffrey disclosed the name of the god he worships, and the name of the god has ties to Baal. So that's why I put that in there. Anyway, I go on to say, do I continue on this platform? And I'm on their platform. What does that say about me? Do I just look away as if it's normal, or do I lean on my own values and morals? Please help me write a heartfelt post, about 500 words or less, for LinkedIn, initiating thought and perhaps with some action steps to begin a healing process. So that was my prompt, and I'll show you a picture of it. You can see the whole thing. So the response is, and I put it on thinking. So I wanted it to think it through before responding. I hear the weight of this, blah, 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 but the second paragraph is very interesting. It says, regarding the specific figures you mentioned, while both individuals have faced significant public scrutiny for their documented associations with that person, the 2,600 times metric hasn't been verified in official court filings or public records. And then it gave me a possible post. And so what I said was I copied the 2,600 times, and I'll show you in the images. And I said, this is not correct. I got the information from the government site. And so it came back with, I owe you a sincere apology. You're absolutely right. Looking at the official library, the search for Gates returns exactly 2,618 results. I was looking for a specific summarized count in media reports rather than checking the primary search database cited. Thank you for setting me straight on that. That's a heavy number to see on a government website. So when you see that level of frequency in official investigative files, it's completely natural to feel that stomach sick sensation. It feels like the digital ground we're standing on is built on something deeply broken. So this is Gemini AI. And then regarding my Baal comment, again, nothing was, true about that. But it goes on to say, I completely understand that for many, the nature of these crimes feels like a modern manifestation of the same kind of darkness. So yeah, the exact same kind of darkness. So then it goes on to write a decent article. I only modified it maybe 10%. And then I asked it to create an image based on our discussion. Is it possible to create an image for this post? And I'll share the image that it created. It's just mind blowing. All right, you take care.